Damn. I'm running pretty late right now. It's 10:53. I have an appointment at 11. Doctor's appointment. I might, just the local doctor. It's the one by CVS. I don't think I'll probably be right on time. I took the quickest shower ever. I was literally in the shower for like 5 minutes. And I guess Janine's mom is coming today from up north, so that'll be cool. They're going to, there's a concert tomorrow. Tomorrow. So Janeane got tickets for her and her mom, and her sister, her two sisters and her brother might come out too. I would think that they would, because today's Friday, so I don't really know what else they would be doing, but that's fun. It's basically a really long road trip for them. It's like 6 hours up north from here, but I'm not really sure who's all coming. If they all come, it's gonna be a full house. So it would be her mom, her sister, her two sisters, her brother, and her niece. Woo! And it's kind of crowded now because we have that roommate, and before that it was just an empty room for that little bit that the other roommate was gone. After the other roommate moved out, and then they would just sleep in there because we had an extra couch and a futon in that room. So I don't know about now where they're gonna chill. We do have a sectional couch, and it is pretty big and it's comfortable. I could sleep on it, but I don't know. We gotta figure stuff out. And then I got class at 6 again. Today's Friday, but so they'll probably actually be there by the time I get out of class. Maybe even sooner. They might actually be on their way right now. Oh no, she's teaching today. Her mom's a teacher, so they'll probably be here late. When does school get out? I don't even know. What the hell was that? Sounded like a bike horn though. That's one thing I wanted to replace on here. Damn, I'm gonna be late. I'm hitting every light. Well, one thing I wanted to replace on here is the horn. I wanted to put an air horn on here, just like my bike, because it's a lot louder and it's funny. Well, especially for the people that are on their phones, because that gets annoying. Like, they're on their phone texting, or usually texting or something, and then they'll be swerving and then like almost hit me or something, but then I'll hit the horn and then they just jump and then throw the phone down. It's all funny. I was thinking about getting like a train horn, but I would need a bigger compressor. The compressor I use now is just like, it's probably about the size of, maybe like half the size of a football, maybe like 2 baseballs put together. But a train horn one, I would probably need like saddlebags in order to, like, because the train horn compressors are pretty big. Well, not necessarily a train horn compressor, but I mean a big enough compressor to work with like those gigantic air horns. Yeah, it's 11 right now. Damn it! I should be getting that phone holder today for this bike. So that'll be nice, and then I'll just like wire the auxiliary cord to maybe just go behind the dash, like right up here, and then up to the kind of wound around the. I didn't do my signal. So that was really not progressive at all. I guess he referred me to another doctor, so I gotta go. Well, I guess they're gonna call me for whatever referral or whatever. That doctor's weird. This is the second time I think it was the second time I've seen him. Maybe the third. I think it was the second though. Every time he's done with me, then he doesn't tell me. So he's like, okay, I'll go fill these out, and then that's it. And he just walks out. So then this is the second time that this happened. So I'm waiting there for like 15 minutes, maybe 10 or 15 minutes, and then a nurse comes in, and then they're like, well, this time the nurse came in, and then she's like, are you still waiting for the doctor? I was like, yeah. And then she went to go get him, I guess, another 5 minutes or so. What the hell? And then he came back, or she came back, and then she's like, oh, you're good to go. I guess you're gonna get a call back later or something. I'm like, what the hell? He didn't even say bye or anything. I don't know. He's like, I think he's Indian. His name is Deepak, Deepak, I think. I've never heard that kind of name. That's his first name. And then it's some like Nayar or something. But then the first time oh yeah, I have the music on right now. I got bored. I'm not gonna make this a habit, but I just got bored. It was really quiet in there. I just needed to hear something. So I'm just playing like some new released shit. So I don't think I'll get it copyrighted, infringement or whatever. And then the other time he walked out, and then it was like 20 minutes or maybe 15 minutes. And then I was like, what the hell is going on? So I went out there, and then I went looking for someone, and then I saw him, and I was like, am I good to go? Or he's like, yeah, you're good to go. I'm like, what the hell? You didn't say goodbye. So I don't know. The doctor is kind of weird. I mean, he's cool, I guess, but he doesn't like let you know that you're done. I'm supposed to be doing community service today, so I gotta head back to my house and then get the paper. Well, the time cards. Well, just the single time card, but so I've only actually worked with the Humane Society, well, since the community service. That one day that I went over there for like 45 minutes. So I'm kind of slacking pretty bad. And I don't know how the manager over there, well, the temporary manager over there is gonna take that. She's kind of a bitch. So I don't know if she's gonna be like, you're never here. We can't use your service. That's literally how she would be. And I'm not surprised. I wouldn't be surprised if she did say that exact shit. They can't use me because I'm never there. But I mean, the fact is they could actually use whatever help they can get. So I'm gonna head back home and then possibly go volunteer at the Humane Society. I am really tired though, so I'm not really sure if I want to go volunteer. Because I don't want to be tired when I go to my class. And then I'll just be irritable. I might even fall asleep in there. I didn't really get much sleep. I think I went to bed at maybe 2 or 3. And then I took Janeane to work at I got up at 7:30 maybe. And then right after that, I took Janeane to work. So I'm heading to class right now. It's about 5:53. I have class at 6. I got this badass phone case finally. It's kind of like the plastic on the back is a little cheap, but I secured it down pretty good. It's pretty cool. So I'll be able to do GPS really easy, plus skip songs and stuff. But mostly the GPS, because it sucks. Well, I usually get lost and then I'll have to stop and then try to figure out where the hell I am. So Janine's family still hasn't come yet. We took a nap. I was so tired. I actually almost overslept my class. Well, luckily I woke up at 5 something, but we went to bed at maybe, I don't actually remember, probably 12 or something. No, maybe 1 because I had to go to my doctor. One thing I do need to do on this bike is clean up these stupid gauges, because they're well, I guess they got weather wore, the color really, but I got a heat gun, so I'm gonna try to repair those. Well, not necessarily repair, but clean them up, make them black again, not this gray shit. I'm trying to get the hell out of here because I got class in 5 minutes. Well, I got class in 2 minutes actually. Shit. Look at the GoPro. Look. It's 6 now. Shit. I hate walking into class late. Everyone all stares and shit. Well, lately that's kind of been the case, but the last time I went in, I had a cold and I didn't want to cough and make a big scene. So I sat in the back, and then prior to that I sat in the back because I was late, and then prior to that I sat in the back because I was also late for the test, I think. But now I'm gonna have to sit in the back again because, well, I'm late again. But I didn't want to really make this a habit because now I just look like one of those kids that doesn't do shit in the back. I'm actually doing my shit and everything, but so today was kind of stressful. A lot of the difficult ass freaking homework. I actually did maybe 3 homework assignments. There are not too many questions on them, but it's just complicated, so it takes a while, which is why there's not that many questions. And then I actually started a quiz, but like right as I started it, I got the answer for the first question, and then class was over, so I just exited it. You can actually take a quiz 3 times, so I was just like, whatever. I just started it, so I'm heading back. I was just on Snapchat in class, and I noticed that Janine's sister is in Glendale, so they're already out here. I'm not sure if they're on their way up here or if they're just shopping or something, or just really just hanging out in the city area. Because where is Glendale? Yeah, Glendale is near Phoenix, I think. I get Glendale and Gilbert mixed up. So I think she was in, well, I don't even remember what I just said. I get them mixed up, seriously. I would think that they were in Glendale. Wait, I think that's near Phoenix. I know one of them is near Phoenix and one of them is near Chandler. I think they're in the one near Phoenix. I think that's Glendale. I just saw on her snap because she did where you do the side swipe and then it'll show like what city you're in. I'm hungry. I haven't had like actual food in so long because Janeane doesn't cook, and I'm not really a cook at all. I can't really cook anything. I mean, I can cook meat, but I don't know anything really about all that side shit, but I can make I can heat food, but I can't really cook food, like make an actual meal. So I'm not really sure. Well, hopefully she made something. I don't know though. I've just been eating sandwiches, really. I'm so tired of it. Sandwiches and cereal. I guess I can make like something with chicken and then maybe like some rice. We do have a rice cooker, so that definitely helps. And then I love fried rice, but I don't know how to make it. I know Janeane does. I just don't have the patience to like figure it out. So I guess you cook it in the rice cooker and then fry it, I guess. I don't know. Or throw it in a pan.